Pete Gustis here with a tour of 103 Lexington Way in Brittany Estates in Morgantown. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It's a nice community here with lots of parking. They also have a pool, which we'll check out in a moment. All right, walking into the unit, you'll notice beautiful hardwood floors. Open concept here with the living room and your dining and your kitchen. So it's a vaulted ceiling, fireplace, and this is one of the few units with a backyard deck, which I mentioned, and it goes up into your finished space up there. Let's check that out. And here's one of the bedrooms. And we have a bathroom here. Laundry. Master. Master does have a closet. Ooh. And of course your bathroom here for the master. All right, and upstairs is the loft, which could be used as a 3rd bedroom or a man cave or sports room. And it does have additional storage as well there. And this unit also has attic storage, which is unique, so you do have more storage options. All right, so with this unit, you have some privacy. They do have some trees here. They have a back deck. And of course, it's right near the front entrance, so you're in walking distance if you want to go get something to drink or stop anywhere else. All right, another great thing about Brittany Estates is they do have a clubhouse and a pool, which is included in the association. So it's a great place, and obviously it's just right across the street. And they also have a small playground here. Looks like they're doing some remodeling. It's a great place. And thank you for previewing 103 Lexington Way in Brittany Estates at Morgantown. It's 610-201-9219. Pete Gustis. Look forward to helping you soon.